Hi everybody, I'm Mike McCrory and this is Would You Make It? So this is just a quick shop update to let you know what I've been up to. My daughter just finished this painting for her boyfriend's birthday and she asked me to frame it, so I spent a day and a half doing that. It's made from walnut and tiger maple. The corners are mitered and I've glued them and screwed them, and I've put an ebony plug in each corner. I'm also just finishing up this double-sided chessboard. So on one side it has algebraic notation, and on the other side it's just plain. This side still needs one more coat of finish and then I'll be done. Speaking of double-sided chessboards, I was recently contacted by Ed Trice. Ed is fairly well known in the chess world. He's the last human to have won the computer world champion games in both chess and checkers. And he's also the inventor of Gothic Chess. Now, Gothic Chess is played on a board that has 80 squares. It's 8 by 10. Now, chess with an 8 by 10 board has been around since the 1600s, so it's been around a long time. So this is an evolutionary variation of the game. And Ed's invention is not the board itself, but the placement of the pieces. So the way that Ed has set it up is there's an archbishop and a chancellor on either side of the king. And by doing this, white does not always have an advantage, which was a disadvantage of the prior versions of the game. So the board that I'm going to make is going to have 64 squares on one side for traditional chess and 80 squares on the other side for Gothic chess. Ed and I have gone back and forth with various design ideas and we've finally settled on one, and so that's what I'm going to get started on next. I'm going to make a limited series of these Gothic chessboards. Each one is going to be numbered and Ed is going to get number 1. I probably have the capacity to make 1 or maybe 2 every month, and so we'll see how it goes. Ed's chessboard is what pushed me to purchase this CNC router. Ed's chessboard is going to have algebraic notation on both sides. And the way that I've done that up until now has always been by using a router and carving it by hand. It looks okay, but it's not perfect. And this is such a high-end board that I'm going to be making for Ed that it really does need to be perfect. So that's why I got the CNC router. I have a few other things on the go. I'm doing a master closet renovation, so I'll be building all the cabinetry for that. I just purchased this new dust collector, so I need to build a room in my workshop to house that. And it's starting to get pretty cold in my workshop, so I need to get it insulated so that I can do glue-ups and apply finishes without any worry. I'm also working on some chess pieces and a chess set. So it's a busy time. For the next few months, I'm going to be pretty busy. Thanks for watching.